In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable microphone on DuckDuckGo. Welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through a simple process to enable microphone access for DuckDuckGo on a Windows system. This is important if you want voice features or audio input to work properly inside the browser or related applications, and it only takes a few moments once you know where to look. We will also briefly explain how Windows privacy controls manage app permissions so you understand why this setting matters. To begin, go to your computer's home screen. From there, right-click anywhere on an empty area of the desktop. A context menu will appear, and from that list, select Display Settings. This will open your System Settings window, where you can manage different privacy and device options. Next, on the left side of the Settings window, use the search bar and type Microphone Privacy Settings. This will quickly take you to the correct privacy section without needing to browse through multiple menus manually. On the right side of the screen, scroll down carefully until you find the section labeled Choose which Microsoft Store apps can access your microphone. This area controls which installed applications are allowed to use your microphone hardware on the system. Now look through the list of apps until you find DuckDuckGo. Once you locate it, you will see a toggle switch next to it. If the toggle switch is turned off, the microphone access is blocked for the app. Simply click the toggle to turn it on, enabling microphone permissions for DuckDuckGo. After enabling it, your system will allow the browser or app to use microphone input whenever it is required. This helps ensure that voice-based features and any audio interactions function smoothly without interruptions or permission errors. It is always a good idea to review these privacy settings occasionally, especially after system updates, because permissions can sometimes reset or change automatically. This is why occasional checks help maintain stable permissions across apps and ensure consistent microphone access when needed. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell